In our previous Nardagani lesson videos, you learned that when there is no symbol under the A, it simply says its name, as in the word ape. You learned that when a smile symbol is under the A makes the A sound, as in the word apple. Remember, if a letter is underlined, it means it's silent. The E is underlined, so it's silent. Now, I'll teach you the other two sounds of A. When the up arrow symbol is under the A makes the sound, as in zebra. Here you see two sounds of A. The up arrow makes the sound, and the smile symbol makes the A sound. Ba, na, na. Now, let's learn the fourth sound of A. When the two dots symbol is under the A makes the ah sound, as in the word talk. Now, it's time for the challenge. Noah ate all the apples. You can learn easily with Nardagani. Download our app today.